A China-Singapore nursing home in the Jiefang Bay area in China's Chongqing has provided a series of smart solutions for elderly care. The Yikang BLB Elderly Care and Service Center of Jiefang Bay is a joint venture project between a private nursing home provider in Singapore and a Chinese company. The center has 44 beds and incorporates innovations such as an automated robotic kitchen and an intelligent elder care panel which monitors the elderly around the clock. In addition to providing services for the elderly, the center also helps senior citizens at home through intelligent means.
提供辖区居家老人电子档案、监测手环等养老智能化手段。同时我们以专业机构的职业培训。对我们的社工、护工、义工的专业服务力量进行系统的培训和定期考核，通过各方面医疗资源的整合和链接，为我们老年人的养老服务提供膳食、用药、运动、心理干预以及健康教育各个环节的服务。
我们为了提高养老服务的智慧化水平，先后开发利用和试运行了5类养老智慧管理平台，比如通过手机 APP、穿戴智能设备、烟火探测器、防漏电宝等，为辖区老人提供实时体征监测、生理数据分析、每日活动提醒、紧急救援热线等健康服务保障，还能通过远程问诊、视频指导，让老人舒心养老，充分享受到了现代智慧养老带来的便捷、高效、安全。